That's right. Babies have moved. They moved downstairs. Mama's giving them their nighttime milk. She will come down and visit them several times a day, but she won't be living down here with them. There they go. Now they're investigating. They weren't real impressed when I brought them down initially. Well, it'll just take a little time. Won't take long, and they will be running all over the place down here. Mr. Green, he has got no problem with moving. He's been talking up a storm. Mr. Blue, Mr. White, there's Miss Yellow coming to life. She's like, Mama, where you going? Where's my mama? Miss Red, Mr. Green, Mr. White. Hello, Miss Yellow. It's nice to see you moving around. Yes, it is. Look at your cute little face, my gosh. Holy smokes. Oh, and Miss Pink. Hello, Miss Pink. Miss Yellow is like mini-me to Miss Pink. They look identical, only she's a smaller version. Hello, Mr. White. Hi. How's it going, buddy? How are ya? Huh? How are you, Mr. Blue? Hi. Oh, nice tail wag. Well, it was wagging. Hello, Mr. Blue. Baby. Miss Yellow, you are so cute. My goodness. Oh no, she's vicious. Oh no, she's vicious. Oh yeah, how's my fingers taste? And yes, and they have a little bucket of water, but I'm sure I'll have to change 5 times a day. What am I kidding? Probably 10 times a day, because they will definitely get shavings in it. But not to worry. I have, knock on wood, never had an accident with shavings. Mr. White's trying to get Miss Yellow. She's like, nope, not playing. Don't want to. So this is their place. Now they can move around. They definitely outgrew the pool. What do you think, Sonic? Huh? Pretty girl? Oh. Look at Miss Yellow. She's picking her feet up like, what is this stuff? She may be a bit of a princess, I think. Mr. White, he's a little handsome guy. He is. Well, they're all handsome, but... Oh, hi, Mr. Blue. Where you going? Miss Yellow, Miss Pink, you're so cute. I know I keep saying that, but gosh darn it, they are so cute. I love this age. They look like the small version of an adult, to me anyway, and I just think they look so cute. This is when they start exploring things and learning new things and finding their voice and finding their feet. Right, Miss Yellow? Miss Yellow. Miss Pink. Miss Pink's got some shavings. Oh, you had some shavings. You had some. What do you think? Huh? What do you think, little Missy? What do you think, pretty girl? Huh? Alright, I guess 5-minute video is long enough. Miss Red, we didn't talk much about you. Are you peeing? Hello, Miss Red. Oh my God, she looks just like Sonic's baby pictures. She's a cutie. Right, Sonic? She looks just like you, pretty girl. It's a lot cooler down here, too. Oh, Mr. Pink, Mr. Blue. Mr. Blue, baby, come on. We're like, nope, don't.